Let's get right to the news everyone's been waiting for. Today marks a turning point for millions of Pi network users around the world. After years of anticipation, speculation, and daily mining, the moment has finally arrived. After years of tapping that lightning button, Pi network has finally bridged the gap between digital coins and real-world cash. What once felt like a futuristic dream is now a reality you can see, touch, and spend. As of today, May 1st, 2026, you can directly connect your Pi to major currencies like the US dollar and euro. This means your digital Pi can now be exchanged for the world's most trusted forms of money, opening up a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine using your Pi to pay for your morning coffee, groceries, or even sending money to friends and family across borders. The barriers between digital and traditional finance are dissolving, making global transactions easier than ever. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution. The Pi network is rewriting the rules of what's possible in the world of digital currency. Your mined Pi now has a direct line to fiat currency. Every tap, every mined coin, now holds tangible value you can use in your everyday life. It's no longer just a number on your phone. It's money you can hold, spend, and share. Real value, right at your fingertips. You can exchange, spend, and measure your Pi against the world's leading currencies. Whether you're shopping online, investing, or saving for the future, Pi is now a true financial tool. Pi has moved from a speculative project to a real contender in the Web3 economy. It's gaining recognition, utility, and respect in the digital finance space. The introduction of OpenUSD and PIEUR brings stability and accessibility to the ecosystem. These new stablecoins make it easier for everyone to participate, regardless of where you live or what currency you use. The game has changed, and the future of Pi is unfolding right before our eyes. This is just the beginning, so get ready to explore, transact, and thrive in a new era of digital money. Let's rewind. Imagine a time when cryptocurrency felt like a secret club, one that required expensive computers, technical know-how, and a lot of electricity just to get started. For most people, it was simply out of reach. Pi Network began with a radical idea: make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just those with expensive mining rigs. The founders wanted to break down the barriers that kept everyday people from participating in the digital currency revolution. Stanford PhDs Dr. Nicholas Kokalis and Dr. Cheng Diao Fan asked, what if you could mine crypto on your smartphone? What if the power to participate in a new economy could fit in your pocket, available to anyone, anywhere in the world? The answer was simple. Download the app, tap a button daily, and prove you're human. No complicated setup, no need for expensive hardware, just a few seconds each day to join a global movement. No technical skills, no battery drain, just a daily habit. Mining Pi became as easy as checking your messages or scrolling through social media, making it part of everyday life. This low barrier to entry democratized crypto, inviting millions who felt excluded. Suddenly, people from all walks of life could participate, regardless of their background or resources. The referral system fueled explosive growth, building a trusted, human-powered network. Friends invited friends, families joined together, and the network grew stronger with every new connection. Pioneers weren't just users, they were the backbone of the network's security and expansion. Each person played a role in verifying transactions and keeping the system safe, making the community itself the foundation of Pi's success. For years, Pi was a speculative experiment, its value locked away. People wondered if their efforts would ever pay off. The community kept growing, united by hope and belief in the project. Every tap was an act of faith in the project's vision. Each day, millions chose to believe in a future where financial opportunity was open to all, not just a privileged few. Now, in 2026, that faith is finally being rewarded. The simple idea that started as a dream has become a global movement, changing the way we think about money, technology, and community. Let's the new stars of the Pi ecosystem, a vibrant family of digital currencies designed to make your experience smoother, safer, and more connected than ever before. Each member of this family brings something unique to the table, working together to create a more dynamic and resilient financial landscape for all Pi users. The core team has introduced a diverse family of currencies to make Pi not just robust, but truly useful for everyday transactions, savings, and global interactions. This new lineup is crafted to address the needs of a growing international community. First up is OpenUSD, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. It's designed to bring much-needed stability to the Pi ecosystem, allowing users to confidently store and transfer value without worrying about sudden price swings. With just a few taps, you can convert your pure Pi into OpenUSD, protecting your assets from volatility and making it easier to plan for the future and make purchases with peace of mind. Next, meet PIUSD and PIEUR. These coins act as bridges to the world's major currencies. They make it simple to interact with global markets, enabling seamless trading, cross-border payments, and easier access to international goods and services. At the center of it all is Pure Pi, the original currency of the network. Pure Pi remains essential for paying transaction fees, staking to support the network, and participating in governance decisions that shape the future of Pi. These new assets don't replace Pure Pi. Instead, they expand its possibilities. Together, they create a more flexible and powerful ecosystem, giving you more ways to use, save, and grow your digital wealth. Now, the Pi ecosystem offers not just stability, but also greater accessibility and true global reach. No matter where you are, you can connect, transact, and participate in a worldwide digital economy. This is more than just a collection of coins. It's a sophisticated infrastructure built for real-world use, supporting everything from daily purchases to long-term investments. With the new Pi currency family, the future is bright. Get ready to explore new opportunities and take part in a financial revolution designed for everyone. Connecting Pi to real-world money is a game-changer. For years, Pi was stuck in a sandbox, fun to collect, but not spendable. Now those walls are down. Pi can be exchanged for dollars, euros, and more. This move brings legitimacy, attracting serious users and businesses. Pi is no longer just an app. It's a financial player plugged into the global economy. Real-world utility is unlocked. You can pay rent, buy coffee, or trade Pi on major exchanges. The more you can do with Pi, the more valuable it becomes. Stablecoins like OpenUSD offer a safe haven from volatility. Open trading brings true price discovery and stability. Pi is maturing into a sustainable, long-term financial system. So, what can you actually do with your Pi now? The answer: a lot. Businesses are accepting Pi for real purchases: electronics, clothes, even meals. Scan a QR code with your Pi wallet and pay instantly. Online marketplaces for Pi transactions are booming, creating a global, decentralized shopping experience. After KYC and mainnet migration, you can trade Pi on major exchanges for crypto or fiat, and withdraw to your bank. Staking and providing liquidity on the Pi DEX let you earn rewards and fees. Pi has evolved from a daily tap to a versatile financial asset. You can now spend, trade, save, and invest Pi in your everyday life. The numbers tell Pi's story. Over 60 million active users, more than many countries. The app boasts a 4.4-star rating from nearly 1 million reviews. Since the open mainnet and fiat integration, Pi's price has stabilized between 13 and 18 pence, with a market cap over $1.1 billion. Pi ranks among the world's top 50 cryptocurrencies. The total supply is capped at 100 billion tokens, with about 6.9 billion in circulation. 65% of tokens go to miners, 20% to the core team, and 15% to a community fund. Pi is now a major well-funded player with a global presence. Beyond price and users, Pi's real engine is its DEX and developer community. The Pi DEX lets users trade Pi for other assets, like OpenUSD, directly on the blockchain peer-to-peer. Every trade requires Pi for fees, driving demand and liquidity. Pioneers can provide liquidity and earn trading fees, becoming active participants. The DEX is the heart of Pi's financial system. Developers, empowered by Pi's SDK and hackathons, are building apps, marketplaces, and games integrated with Pi Wallet. The core team now empowers others to build, fostering a vibrant open-source ecosystem. The future of Pi is being built by its global community. Pi's journey wasn't smooth. Delays and skepticism were constant companions. The open mainnet launch was pushed back repeatedly, testing the patience of pioneers. Critics called it a scam or a glorified referral scheme, and the value was often misunderstood. Many expected sky-high prices, but the reality was more modest. The core team always emphasized utility over hype. The recent launch and integrations have silenced many critics, proving Pi's real-world value. Pi's resilience through challenges has made it stronger and more credible. In 2026, Pi stands as a fully integrated financial ecosystem. The next phase is all about real-world utility: more businesses, more apps, more daily use. Growth will be steady, tied to adoption, not speculation. The crypto market and regulations will bring challenges, but Pi's strength is its community. The project's value will be built by pioneers and developers, not speculators. The story of Pi is still being written, and everyone is part of it. The dream of a decentralized, accessible digital currency is closer than ever. The next chapter for Pi is just beginning.